Well, it's another very stormy day here on the northeast side of Indianapolis. We had torrential rains and hail earlier, and now we have another interesting storm moving in. I think it's going to pass to our south. Right now I'm looking southwest. Don't think there's been any warnings associated with this storm, but the clouds sure are interesting. I'm looking more or less straight west. I've been seeing most of the lightning down to the south, though, in that part of the cloud. Oh, there's some movement going on right there. I'm going to stop this one and see if I can get a better focus on it.